there is some problem with its statement. Yesterday I did a question same as this. This is a differential equation. So first term will be x dot plus, and second term is 6x dot plus 34x is equal to 68, and the initial conditions are x0 is equal to 5, x dot 0 is equal to 7. So we need to solve this differential equation. So this differential equation is like d2 over dt2 x plus 6 dx over dt plus 34x is equal to 68. Let us take d over dt. We can solve this equation in a way such that we break the first part into a